Okay, so I just unboxed the Lattofigy high visibility 47-inch light bar, amber and white. Bought it off Amazon. And this is what comes with it. There is a problem that I'm seeing though. I wanted to run my wires through my third brake light, but I can't do that because this controller, there is no disconnect on it, and it goes right up into the frame area right here, into the light. No disconnect whatsoever on it. Opened up this box, everything is soldered inside. The only option would be to possibly cut it and rewire it. Looking at the battery cable and the power and the negative, it's really too thick to seal up around on my brake light, so I got to figure out a different way of doing this without drilling into the roof of the truck, which I do not want to do. Now, once you get the magnets situated, it seems to be pretty solid up here on the top of the truck.